Good afternoon. Today is March 1st, 2022. The weather is kind of breezy. The temperature is 68 degrees. It feels hot, a lot hotter than that. I'm wearing short sleeves. I would like for you to take a look at the results of my plants compared to what they look like when we had snow on the ground. This is a kale bush. It's going on 2 years old. This is a flower pot that has some plants in it that were still living in January, but they did not survive all of the extreme cold and ice that we had in January. This pot right here looks like it still has some plants growing in it, either collards, broccoli, or cabbage. They're underwater, of course. I'm surprised that they have lived this long, if they are still living. Whatever was in here did not survive all of that cold and ice. These plants right here have more than doubled in size compared to what they were in January when we had all the ice and snow. Okay. All right, I'm going to walk across the garden and show you my onions. These are my onions. They're standing up tall. If you were to go back and look at my video that I posted in January, you would see that they were slumped over. All of them were slumped over. Right now, I only have one that's slumped over. The others are standing up tall. I have harvested them many times. I don't think I'm going to harvest them anymore this year. I think I'm just going to let them bloom. They're kind of looking like they want to go ahead and bloom. They make a beautiful flower. And I would use the flowers to collect the seeds so I can have more for next year. All right. Let's take a look at my mustard greens. I have harvested them many times. They are so delicious. I don't think I'm going to harvest them anymore this year. I'm just going to mulch them so they can survive the summer. I'm thinking that's a collard green, miniature collard green. Well, not miniature, it's just small because it is not that old. It might be 2 months old or less. More mustard greens. Okay. These are collard. I think these are collard greens. Mustard greens. Collards. More collards. Just taking you on down the row. Okay, that one is starting to make seeds, which is not good because they're so small. I noticed that a lot of times when I plant them season, they will start making seeds when they're small like that. Okay, so if you would like to continue looking at my videos, Please subscribe to my channel. There is no charge to subscribe to the channel. You can hit the notification bell, and every time I produce a new video and upload it to YouTube, you will get a notification that I have uploaded a video. And if you make comments, that will let me know that you have looked at the video. I have no other way of knowing who has looked at the video unless you make comments. If there is a way for me to find out who is watching, I have not learned how to do that yet. Okay, thank you.